AI Internship Program, powered by Skillhive Connect, in collaboration with Srivin Tech. Watch how we build AI projects, from UI to backend, mentor walkthrough.
Yeah, please confirm whether you're able to see the screen. Anyone confirm? Yeah. Thanks, Akshay. So this is basic UI that we gonna build. So our coming extension will be this UI. So where we will be building like this is basic streamlined UI along with the API, but this will be changed. This weekend I'll be learning React, so I'll try to enhance this look and feel. But as of now, this is the UI that we have built with the help of only Streamlight. Okay. Now where we will go? What is our end objective? So now you can see the patient list. If you click on the patient, you click on the patient, and here we are browsing, we are updating the files. Okay, we are updating the files. So under patient, doctor will be accessing this. Under patient, we have the patient data extraction, AI summarization, which will be coming soon, and we will be building it. Doctor insights. So whatever the doctor is saying here, we will be getting the voice to text translation, and that data will be stored here. And finally, with the help of AI, we will be able to manage the booking. So every feature is coming soon. Only we have built the patient data extraction. Now I'll show one thing. What will be the end output look like? Okay, this is the data we are dealing and extract all the images. Now this has extracted all the information. Okay. Now what will happen? If I go to the patient record, I will be maintaining all the prescriptions. So this is part of prescriptions. This is RX stands for the prescription data. I'll be storing this all we will remove. This all we will remove. We will be having the prescription of the data, which will give the information what this person has used before. Okay. And also, if you see the dashboard, we have the pharmacy and we have the medicine and everything. We have the radiology. Okay. We have the inpatient, whoever is taking the this appointment on a given day. This data will be updated, so you can see the calendar as well. The calendar is available. And now we have the emergency. If there is any emergency cases, so that will be recorded here. OP, this is outpatient. Whoever, so this is admitted, this is outpatient. Whoever wanted to meet the doctor, so that will be tagged. And blood bank, what are the groups we have and what are the units that we have present. And ICU, how many beds are there, how many occupied, and how many available. Okay, so this is the dummy data for the demo purpose. So this is all the whole UI that we're gonna build, but our main concentration. And one thing, this all data will be populated with the help of the AI setup that we are doing. Nothing will be coming from the APIs. AI will be only this information will be coming from the APIs. Remaining all the information, the data, the patients, and everything will be coming up from the data which we are handling. Okay. So this is what I wanted to show. We will be building the same. Uh, our next target will be building this UI, but a bit polished one. But you will be building this, and we will be working on the React part, React, and making this look a bit great. Okay, this is what I wanted to show. Coming to the concept that I wanted to explain today. Okay, I'll be just going through the code once again because yesterday I was a bit fast. So I'll be going once again to give you an idea how things will work. And if you have any doubt, because this is one thing which we are integrating with our UI as well. So just wanted to explain again. And if you have any doubts, we can discuss those. Okay. Uh, any doubts, or do you wanted to discuss anything? Do you guys wanted to discuss anything? Only 3 members joined. 4 members. Yes, sorry. Okay. Please let me know if you have any issues, or simply we will go through this code once again. And as we have given you a task, let's work on that. And just wanted to clear one thing. Uh, if we are saying that, okay, go ahead and work on Tesseract or easy OCR or parallel OCR, whatever it is, it doesn't mean that we are expecting a perfection or the perfect response from your task. What we are expecting is like you will be exploring the ways we have, right? You will be going to internet, you will be asking ChatGPT or whatever the way you go and find it out. End of the day, you will be able to understand what are the different methods that we have in order to improve the response from an OCR model. Okay. See, we are going like step by step evaluation. We started with Tesseract. We know it is bad at handwritings. Okay, that is accepted and admitted. Coming to the easy OCR, we expected that it will do for better on the handwriting, but it is also failed. Coming to the parallel OCR, it is performing well as of now. It is extracting at least 80% accurate results. And coming to the vision language model, it is doing a bit 90 to 95% of better results. Right. We are evaluating, or the evaluation process is continuing. And what I felt personally is like this is slowly becoming a classroom session. Like I am delivering the session good. So I forgot to appreciate your efforts on trying out or at least running the same code that we have shared in order to find out or share the results. Thanks for that. But personally, I felt like you're not getting much benefited out of the session. Our end objective is to share the knowledge, work together, and get benefit. This is what the main objective of this internship. It is not like the regular patterns where I'll be delivering a concept and you will be listening it, or you may not be listening it. This is not our agenda. Our agenda is like gets your hand dirty. That's the main agenda. And today, when I was having a meet with Srini, he was mentioning, okay, go ahead and do 2 to 3 components, but end of the day, they should get the knowledge from end to end. When we say end to end, they should be capable of working on the deployment part as well. Like if a product is given, they should be able to build the code, build the API, and deploy the application. So this is what I'm expecting at the end of this session. It may be on the 31st or before that. Our main objective is to whatever the application that we are building, it may be the Streamlight application or few people. to go ahead and deploy. So that is what he is expecting from us, right? And you guys are doing great, uh, but that is like 50 percentage that we are expecting. But again, you people, what? Let me explain like what happened in industry. Even you are a fresher, they'll simply give you the topic. For example, your manager or your product manager. So let me explain you the hierarchy first. How the companies operate or how the team will be. I'll explain the code, but before that, just let me go ahead and draw the hierarchy. So if it is an service-based company, so you have two types: product-based company and service-based. Okay. Now all the startup ecosystem will come here. Startup ecosystem that you people are learning or you're listening. That startup ecosystem will be in the product-based company. Yes, there are startups and service-based companies as well, but most of them, most of the ecosystem, they wanted to build their own products and they wanted to sell it. So how Srivin Tech is doing? Okay, now in the product-based company, what they do, they will build their own product. Okay, and there will be an sales or a marketing team will be there. We don't call it as a sales, we call it as a marketing team. Marketing team, we will be having an analyst team. Okay. So what these people will do is like these people will be continuously monitoring the market. These people will be continuously monitoring the market. And from the market, they will get the insights and they will say that okay, our competitor doesn't have these features, some features that is missing, and they will bring the business requirement. They will bring the business requirement. Now, this business requirement will be shared with the development team. Who is the development team? If it is a software industry, the development team is nothing but the IT team. Okay. Now, this IT team, so I'll talk about a small company. I'll talk about a small team where we will not have the TLs, team leaders, and so on. So I'll talk about only the main group, how the team will be formed. Now, after getting the development from the business team or the business requirement, there will be one person called as product manager. Okay, there will be one person called as product manager. So there is another person called as a technical manager. Some will call as a technical manager. Some will call as a people manager. Okay, who is a technical manager? Technical manager is a person who can code. Who can code. People manager is the guy who will simply manage the teams. Okay. Now, what is the difference between this guy and this guy? Okay.
Want to build real AI projects? Join Skillhive Connect for AI internship programs.